Yeah, I know, it's been a while. But today I'm at Breen Down and I'm going to, as you can see in the distance, the Breen Down Fort. I have done a video on that years ago, so we're not going to really concentrate on a lot of that. But there's parts I've missed, so I'm going to video the parts I've missed. So yeah, so I'm push biking all the way. So it's about, looks close, but it's about 5 miles away. So anyway, we're going to do that, and then we're going to go out there, see some World War II stuff, World War I stuff, and apparently there's a hidden cave. So this is trying to find that hidden cave. So if we can find it, then that's a bonus. So I'll see you up there. Enjoy. Well, I made it. I'm halfway up the hill. It's really steep up the hill. There is further down that way you can go up the steps, but you know, because I've got the bike, there's no way you're getting up the steps. So there's there's a track here, so I've used that. So this is how far I've come up the hill. And that view, and that cool. So this is that's the old track I've come up. It's bloody steep. So I had to come off. Had to get off the bike. So without further ado, let's get back up the top then. Well, look at that. I was just about to get on the bike, go up the hill, and I saw some steps. I thought, that's probably nothing. So I had a quick look up there. Right, let's have a look. Look, have a look at this. Because I thought, I wonder what this is about. So I thought I'd check it out. And I see this. Look at that. So I don't know what this was. It's clearly not a... Clearly can't be a bunker, I wouldn't have thought. Not with windows that big, so... I don't know. Any ideas, anyone? Concrete roof? Don't know. It's got windows, so... I don't know. That's pretty cool. No graffiti. But yeah, so I don't know what that's about. See that? I've got a pipe there, so I don't know what that could have been. But that's just a little quick one. So, boom. Right. Let's get going then at the top. We've done it. Knackering, but we're up here. Have a look at that view. And that cool view. That's uphill near Western, and that's Western over there. So yeah, that's a really cool view, man. So we will be heading right that way. It's about a mile long that way. So to get to the fort. So yeah, the fort's that way. But see, when I come here last time, that's what we missed over there. So gonna go over there and video over there. So here we go. This is part of the gunner area. Well, they would have had their guns here. And look, you can see, look. You can see it on there, where it would have been attached to. So that with a span round big gun on here. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Defending the Bristol Channel. Yeah, because the fort, like I said, the fort, this was built in the 1800s. So anyway, look at it there. Another one here. That's pretty good. That's a nice one. Look at them. This one's gone. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gunner positions. defending the channel. Looks like that was all caged up, this one. But we'll go around the other side and have a quick look. Get down and have a quick look. Let's go and look in here. Oh, it's a lot of bloody flies. There is a lot of flies up here. Oh, look. Clearly had to put scaffold up in that to protect it, or it would have just be a collapse. So they're preserving it. That's one good thing, isn't it? They're preserving it. We will have a look round here. Oh, look at that view. Mad. Have a quick look around here. It is safe around here, so it's all good. I don't need to go any further. Nope, not really. Let's go back up then. Right, I'm going to hold it as I'm on the push bike now, just so you can see what it's all about. Me on the bike. So I'm going to have to do the old one-handed trick. As I didn't bring them out for the push bike. So this will do though. This will get the job done if they don't come off. It's a bit rocky on here. That view though, come on, let's take that in. Eh? So, it's been cloudy all morning. Yeah, it was cloudy all morning, sun came out, so I thought, come on, let's rock on, let's get out. So I wasn't going to come out, because it was all doom and gloom like, you know. So I thought, nah, let's get on. Sun's out, let's go. I'm glad I did now, because it's not raining, and hopefully no rain's going to come. Let's see if I can do it this way. Fuck. Fuck's sake, shit. Fuck off. Ah, fuck. Oh well. Never mind, that was alright. Shit. Oh. Like I said last time coming, I walked all this. It's a long walk, especially from Breen. It's like a 5-mile hike. So I'm glad I'm on the push bike today. I've got to be getting closer now. That would be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Camp up here. I wouldn't mind camping up here. Oh. There's the fort. Hey, you'll be able to see it now. There she is. Right, I might have to put the camera away. It's getting a bit dodgy now. We're going downhill. Yeah, I'm going to have to put the camera away. Right. Right. I'll see you down there. Rightio. Well, you know I said back out at the beach about there's meant to be a cave. Well, I found it. So, that is the fort up there. The bunker's up there. But I will show you around in a minute. We'll have a quick look. We will have a quick look. So, it's only a little cave, but from the pictures I seen, you just didn't know what it was going to be. So, anyway, as promised, let's go to the cave. Right, it's probably going to be a lot of bloody flies in here. Right, let's do this without slipping. Do it properly. There we go. Yeah. Right, some flies. So there you go, look. There's your cave. Ah, look, let's go in and have a quick look inside. Ah. Oh, cool. Oh, cool little cave. Yeah. That goes quite. That go there. How far does that go then? It's like a. Yeah, it just goes to there. See, little cave. Apparently that was for drainage or something. So you can see there was a pipe up there. So from the fort, clearly this is where it was like a drainage tunnel. They done a little cave to release their water into the sea. But nice little cave, isn't it, eh? Right, cool little cave. So I'm glad we found it anyway. So I didn't know if I was going to find it, because where I seen like the photo of it, it didn't. You couldn't tell where the hell it was. It didn't show you any sort of representative of where it was going to be. So, you know, it's a bit of guesswork, but we found it. So that's the main thing. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Wow. Well, that's that off the list. So I'm pleased about that one. Right, I thought I'd better bring you back to the start of it. So I can show you the front. But like I said before, I have done this video before. It is on my channel, so I'm not going to go into great detail about this place because it's already on my channel. So we're just going to have a quick look round just to show anyone who hasn't seen it. Looks like they got some war memorial art down there. We'll take a look at that. That goes out to see that part there. Yeah, the thing is, they seem to close all this up, like all locked away, which is a shame. So that would be the officers' quarters in there. That's what it would look like inside. That's the officer. They would have had this nice cosy place. And this is where they kept the ammo down here. The ammo storage. It's all padlocked up. Oh my good God. Oh my good God. We got a surprise. We've only got a surprise, haven't we? Well, I come here years ago and this is all locked up and you couldn't get in. Oh my God. I know it's oh my God. Bloody gates are open. The gates are open. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh mate, what a treat. Gates are open. Man. Right. We're going in. Leave my bike here. I'll be right here quickly. No one around. Let's go. Jesus. Can't believe the bloody gates are open. Oh my God. Right. Come on, let's get my light on. Getting all excited now. Right, get my light on. Forgetting what I'm doing here. Right, let's go. Actually, it's a bit wet. All that. I always wanted to see inside the ammo store. Oh. Cool. Wonder what that's about. I wonder what they've took and done. Oh, here we go, look. Yeah, this is the one I wanted to see. because it went round. Main magazine. Wow. See that? Main magazine area. How cool is this? Wow. Wow, what an echo. Look how high that is. Wow. Can't believe it. Oh my God. Finally got in here after all these years. It's open. Man. So, it was a long time ago I come here. But I can't believe it. It's open. I always wanted to see what was round. Oh. Look at that. Like I said, I always wanted to see what was round the corner. Oh man. Check the bike a minute. Bike's up there. Let's have a quick look inside. What the hell is that up there? What? They're in upstairs. So there must be an upstairs. Look. You see that? The size of this place. I don't know what that is up there. Wonder how you get up there. If there was a ladder or something. It's not very high up there, is it? That's strange, isn't it? So here you go, some information of the gunpowder magazine. So if you want to pause that and read that, you're most welcome to. Yeah, this one's padlocked. This gun magazine, but I don't know what we're going to see. Let's try. Get my arm through. See if there's anything down there. Oh. So there you go. Can't get in that one. Nope. Up here is where they tested. Oh. The bombs. The testing bomb. Here we go. Here. We'll tell you about it here. Ooh, here we go. Searchlight, searchlight area, this one here. Top secret. The seaborne bouncing bomb, here we go. Turn that light off. To carry the bomb down the track and then on impact. Let's go roll. Go rolling down there. Out to sea. Bang. Nice one. Have a gunner area there. A big old fort, this place. Right, we'll take a look in there then. That's where the ammo would have been all been stored. All in these. There was a plaque here years ago, but they took it down. Imagine the size of the gun on here, eh? Imagine the size of the thing on here. Look at that. What a sight. Yep, look at that, we've got another gunpowder store. And this one's open as well. These when they're open like. So where's this go then? Oh man, this goes down. Oh wow. How cool is this? Oh, this is cool, isn't it? Goes to a little one. Oh man. Only a little one, but whoa. You just got to think of the history. Don't you? 1800s. All the activity, what would have went on in here? To me, it's everything we got in. Yeah. Let's go and have a look around this then. This one in here. Wow. This would have been grand, wouldn't it, eh? Look at that fireplace. Another fireplace at the end. Now you've got a plaque on the wall there. Let's go and have a look at that. During the Second World War, the barracks room we used as a canteen, a leisure area for the soldiers. Serving hatch, the kitchen was 1940s edition. You can still see the steel roller for the shutters. Oh, I've been over there, wouldn't it? I've been in the canteen then over there. $1870. Yeah, there's the shutters. There. So this would have been the canteen, that one. And they had their little parties in here. That's the wrong way. Must be back round this way, is it? And that way. She is this way. Don't know what that would have been. There would have been the kitchen, wouldn't it? Yeah. And there's the serving hatch. The rollers. There you go, look. That. Still there. Still there in existence. How cool is that? Right. I'm not going to walk back round. Oh. There's another one in here. So that's a... There's a plaque on this one. So that's the size of the gun. Look at that. I The ammo storage would have been down here. That would have been them in there, see? So we've got 2 new gun emplacements were built in 1941 near the site of the 1900 explosion, which was equipped with 6-inch naval gun. Scrapped First World War warships there had a range of up to 20 miles, twice the width of the Bristol Channel at this point. Wow. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's go up there and have a look at this side. There you go. 20-mile range. Wow. Do you know what? There's a storm coming in as well. Look at that. It's getting dark, isn't it? There's a storm coming, man. Storm brewing. We've got some bunkers up there, so we're going to go and see them now. At the top. Also, I forgot to show you the toilet area. There you go, look. The toilets. Look at that. Think of how many people have pissed in that. Excuse my French. Oh, there you go. We got one here quickly in here. Last time coming this way, it's a bit spooky. Don't know, just a bit. Get a weird feeling in this one. I did put up a video because I did like a spirit box in this one before with some cat balls and they went off. Yeah, I did get some communication come through the spirit box. That's on my channel as well. Go and check it out. I think we're going to go down there now. You know, down that way. Let's get out of here. So we've come down here. This is the engine house. There you go. That's where the engine, the power supplies. Right, this side of it. Let's go down this way. Have a quick gander down here. Let's put the bike here a minute. I think that rain's coming in. It ain't going to be long. Look at that. That rain coming in, man, I'm going to get drenched, don't I? Oh, look at that. Still a lovely view though, isn't it? Even though the rain's coming in. Right, I suppose we get back up to at the top, look at those bunkers, and then we'll head back. How cool is that? How cool is that with the child? And that's art. I don't mind stuff like that. It's this crap graffiti. Youngsters spray crap everywhere. But that's art. Oh. We just made it and the rain's coming down now. Let's go and have a look. Yeah. You look good, isn't she? Look at that view. Wow. Just look at that view. The next one, that's the top one. Let's go to that one quickly. This one's higher up now. It's got two. Ammo storage, this is going to be graffiti, bit of art, least we forget, not at all. I won't forget, both my granddads were in World War II, they'd done their service. Another ammunition department in here, another one. Got the shutters. They won't be around much longer. Spectacular, isn't it, eh? Right, let's go and show you this one. That view. This fort has to be up there, doesn't it? Eh? It has to be up there on the Bristol Channel. It's the best view on the Bristol Channel from the fort. Right, it looks like then I don't think I'm going to end it here and get back. So that's where I've got to go. Up there, in that way. So that's coming in. So I've got my hat and I've got the gloves. So anyway, yeah, she's coming in now. Yeah, she's coming in now. So it's all worth it though. Yeah, it's been a trip down memory lane coming back here because it was a long time ago. You know, yeah, it's bloody. I just love this place. So it means a lot to me for you staying with me in coming and watching this. So so thanks anyway for everybody who's subscribed to my channel and watching. And any questions, leave a comment. Yeah, don't be afraid to leave a comment. Get in there, do it. You know what I mean? You know, there's a lot of people. You know, I got regulars leave comments, but you know, a lot of people out there. Go on, just leave a comment. You know what I mean? So all good though. No negative. I don't want any. You know, I don't do any negative on my channel. No way, and about that. So anyway, thanks for coming, and I love you all, and I'll see you again soon.